So we'll do a bit of a video walk around this machine. It was bought operationally about 5 years ago. It has been sitting out here since then. Has been covered mostly until yesterday. As you can see, there's rust on the V-block and it does need a fair bit of work. The birds have certainly been busy. But all in all, it's not that untidy. It's a bit hard to see. So the rams don't look too bad. But it is a project, but you know, it's a 4 metre 400 tonner, so it is a beast. And you know, it would set you back 100 grand if you were wanting to buy it in good nick.